Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to rotate right on your canvas on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to your gallery or create a new canvas, and here you can find so many buttons in the left side of the screen. New, go to the canvas option at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can find the rotate lift button. So just click that and you can move your canvas. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.